Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren inspects Dolai Thabi Barrage Project and Thobal Multi-Purpose Project, assures to inaugurate the projects in March. Minister Jayanta Kumar officially launches the National Deworming Day program at Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School in Kashamthong today. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, seizes large amount of liquor from fast food hotels near Mapal, Kangjibung. And Neroka FC held goalless by Aizawl FC suffer jolts to I-League title hopes in the 15th match for the home team. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren inspected the condition of Dolai Thabi Barrage Project and Thobal Multi-Purpose Project today. Biren assured that construction of both the projects will be completed by March this year to be on time for inauguration by Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he visits the state to launch the Indian Science Congress. He also said that the foundation stone for construction of the Sport University will also be laid by the Prime Minister. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Minister of Water Resource Department Letpao Haukip, Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, top officials and authorities concerned of the government and MLAs during the inspection. Addressing media persons in connection with the inspection, Chief Minister Biren said that Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and National President BJP Amit Shah will also attend the inauguration of these projects. Biren further stated that the government also has plans to develop these two beneficial projects into tourist spots. The Chief Minister maintains that as soon as the ongoing assembly session completes, along with the completion of BJP's one-year rule in the state, all incomplete projects initiated by the previous government will be completed by March 1st to 15. Biren stated that the Girls' Hostel of Hostel Tribal Affairs MSDP and the Mini Sports Complex will be inaugurated soon.
BJP-led government sige khoi ki pandam se handak ki March ki laiba tarik 13 da khoi ki sahi phabani nominee laktra ko prime minister compulsory side congress la ani ma lakpa kanda sahi gi wena akhoi sangabada Manipur miyam gi yamna kana ba pigadawa sigi mapithel dam sine Thobal dam har ko khangna ba sine Dolai Thabi ne adagi akhoi gi national Sports University ki jatra khulal hunbiram bane atai project khara khoina akhoi sinjari ma lakpa kana sanga pinna ba haidana BJP.
Taking part in the inspection, Minister of Water Resource Department Letpao Haukip stated that the two projects are 99.9% completed and are almost ready to be inaugurated. He said some compensations were already given to the Thobal Multi-Purpose Project affected villagers. He assured that the remaining compensations will also be handed out at the earliest.
Masi si 99.9% high tai lowe de asigi lebak ki kitang khak wat basinatana ate si wat pam taletre sanga bada loina ya re si haning akhoi sarkar gi site paisa hana thambire ukrul dagi Pungjal district ki DC da transfer amuk tawbada account hangbagi kari gi kitang thengdabani aduda pasadi phangpham thokpa sarkar gi pibam thokpa leiriba listri soidana pini.
Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayanta Kumar has officially launched the National Deworming Day program today to ensure successful administration of deworming tablets to children in the state on February 13. Altogether, 19,67,000 deworming albendazole tablets will be administered to children on the day in Manipur. The launching program of National Deworming Day and Mop-Up Day was jointly organized by Health and Family Welfare Department, State Health Society and National Health Mission Manipur at Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School in Kashamthong today. Speaking at the event, Health Minister L. Kumar asserted that the government acknowledges children to be the foundation of the society and intends to ensure them health and well-being, and thus various central and state-sponsored health programs, including the National Deworming Day program, are being initiated from time to time. He said the State Health Department, Social Welfare and Education Department will jointly carry out the National Deworming Day program in the state from February 13. Kumar called on the need for proper awareness for the successful conduct of the program. The minister drew the attention of the officials of health, social welfare and the education departments gathered at the launch to give proper awareness to parents on the benefits of deworming their children. Director of Social Welfare Department, Jacinta Lazarus, Director of Health and Family Welfare Department, Dr. K. Rajo, Director of Education S. T.H. Kiran Kumar, officials of the three departments and many students were present at the event. Albendazole tablets will be administered to children between the age of 1 to 19 years at schools, health centers and Anganwadi centers on February 13.
Deworming the sick vaccination combined to the announcing the combined to the Mogi Sekariwal again. I have young Family Welfare Department, Social Welfare Department, Matuki, Tangusing a diet to Orak Bahabatai. Other Madu Tonabagine has to get Tamiva. I'm Madu Tonabagita, state government numbers on the Oki, central government, Maduna Piri, Makari Pekes, my Amazon. With every sincerity, Tamo Yamna saying Ojana to be with them. Chimney government school, Captain Letter with a private school of Young Talaga, Angang in the healthy condition, come into the gaze, routine nine, Chakama, Lushemaga, Koyamba, Amadakala.
In an effort to check the use and sale of intoxicants, the Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, seized a large amount of liquor from fast food hotels near Mapalkang Jebung during a drive today. The seized liquor, including country-made DIC liquor and Indian-made foreign liquor, have been destroyed by setting on fire at the excise headquarters, Lamphel. Speaking to media persons, the Finance Secretary of CADA, Takelambam Git Chandra, stated that it is a failure of the state that liquors are still openly sold in the heart of Imphal City, despite Manipur being a dry state. He lamented that it is a disgrace that liquor are being sold near Polo Ground, which is an ancient historical site. Git Chandra appeals to the police personnel not to side with those selling liquor by illegally collecting taxes from the vendors. He termed it unfortunate that a police SI identified as Devananda pulled out a revolver and points to a female member of CADA and threatens to sue the CADA members. Git Chandra said CADA took the initiative as the government remains a mere spectator and expressed hope that the government will look into the matter and take responsibility in protecting the society.
Ngasi amba akoy na sangjal ma drive si sangjal kanda akoy maroy na yu yon ba sing sina yam na akalaring singi yam law khong na tawi adai da moi na su pau pi ba male police khara malai akoy na pi ding da police sing je la kanda police na moi gi favor da lei me mong to ba maroy na SI Devananda hai ba sina ada akoy gi thomi da ba da indana khotna to hale akoy te me du tui adaga nongmai ga satna tawi adu mayam na kan movement to de SI du di mangre gi yu yo li ba sing sina thang pai dan yan gi ni en to duna akoy manung da thong jal lai gi ba adai maroy na ngasi gi sida akoy yu yo liba singche akoy maitei ichina ayambani ado moina akoy se pura yekna badongna khanba hai tare ada akoy da asai thang pa yan ge tawba adagi loina chong je satar tingalamaga chin giba ayam oyeba ado mapu phangdaba de akoy ngasi se akoy yu akoy thiba phangdaba kharam su dum yaweba ado ayambadi thong hangalaga dum akoy ngasi je loin yu singje puthok minare.
AIMS and DESAM in a press release stated that Indigenous Students Coordination Committee, a joint committee of the two organizations, was formed with an aim to face the problems and issues in the society. President of AIMS, Rajesh Yumnam, and President of DESAM, Angamba Maite, have been elected as the conveners of the new committee. A two-day national seminar on the theme Women in Higher Education Issues and Challenges began at the Hindi Teachers Training College on DM College campus today. The national seminar is being organized by Manipur Educational Development and Research Association. Participants at the seminar espoused for ensuring a high-quality education, as India would be the country with the highest youth population by 2020. They maintained that despite the claim for development in this modern time, women are still being suppressed and looked down in the society. They asserted that lifting of women in certain good families cannot be representative of the practice in the society at large. The participants at the seminar called for enlightenment of women through proper education and sensitization of the men. Many research scholars and assistant professors will read out paper presentations on discrimination against women in higher education, reservation policy, etc. during the two-day national seminar.
In every society, Korean advanced society that Nupi since Kara upliftment layer so Korean underdeveloped society the Nupi representation see automatic yamna less one like Quiggy Nupa since society layer since Quiggy Nupi since the property who go on Uba had the commodification of women, not rather objectification of women. Nupi since the object of na commodification of Uba possibly means legomatam lopsided development of person did not suffer the grand piece in the you cannot have a prosperous society, you cannot have a developed society.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham called for increasing entrepreneurship instead of merely depending on the government for bringing about a developed Manipur. Karam Sham was speaking as chief guest at the inaugural of MS Konkham Gas Agency, a super stockist of gases private limited Spice Gas in Sangaipro, Mamanglekai today. The stockist is the first of its kind to deal with bottling and marketing of the product by local inhabitants in the state. The minister maintained that if the enterprise undertaken is successful, it will do away with the inconveniences brought on by the unavailability of cooking gas in the state, and it will significantly contribute in the efforts to curb selling of gas cylinders at exorbitant rates in the black market. He added it would also contribute in generating employment opportunities and in enhancing the state's economy. Minister Karam Sham assured the agency of all possible assistance in making the enterprise a success. MLA Nambol and Loken was also present at the event.
Manipur si tasena sokalan ke hai targati sarkar khapta depend tawga lai ba yad akoi entrepreneurship business to ABA and field akoi si taitama no sangye people's bu thazan ba madu thazan na ko idam ta responsibility hai ba potsima adi nangtho ga sen ba yad thabuk to ko kan da akoi with sacrifice tawga ne Hana Praja, Masidi, Radi, Taujaribo, Akoi, OBA, businessmen, OBA, even social organization, the ABA, NGO, the OBA. People get confidence, some of Kaks Hagan and Abohonda, I get responsibility, she lower. I get a room from Bapanga, Madu, sacrifice some of the Lunina. People ski sharp to Tauradi, Taugina Kalibatabu, some of the Sama, I don't fulfill the one heavily, Hazabasima, I wonder later.
CPI Manipur State Council in a press release stated that General Secretary of the Council Dr. Nara left Imphal to participate in the election campaign for the Left Front candidates in the Tripura Assembly to be held on the 18th of this month. In the three-day visit, Dr. Nara, along with Tripura Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, along with other left leaders, will be campaigning, particularly in Manipuri inhabited areas of Tripura. After shops and warehouses were gutted down by the massive fire at the Namphalong market in Myanmar, which is an Indo-Myanmar international business hub at the border town of Moreh, business transactions resumed at the Indo-Myanmar no man's land. Daily wage earning market vendors from Myanmar brought their commodities for sales at the temporary market shed on the small ground near the no man's land this morning. As Namphalong market will be reconstructed, for the time being, business operators are earning their livelihoods selling various essential commodities, including food items, at this small temporary market set up in the ground. However, all commodities are not yet available in the temporary market. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Bishnupur District Police Commando and 42 Assam Rifles seized a large sum of money and drugs from a woman during a search operation at Kwakta Pangal Lamkai, Ward number 5 early this morning. The team, including women police personnel, conducted the operation under the supervision of Bishnupur District SP IPS Jogesh Chandra Haubija Police Station. A man allegedly involved in extortion of money in the name of Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC and various clubs in Thangmaiban was apprehended by the locals today. The arrested person is identified as Thangjam Roman, 40 years, son of Thangjam Irabat from Kurai Ahongai Telipati. Many usable labels of RK Kitchen masala in Naramthong, Samusang Uku and natural spices in Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai were also seized from him. Thangjam Roman was arrested by volunteers of Eastern Youth Club, Soibam Lekai, when he came to pick up one Angom Goy to accompany him in selling the labels. Upon further interrogation, he confessed to have extorted money from vendors at Thangal Market using the name of IMC and clubs in Thangmaiban. A vice president of Eastern Youth Club, Angom Sanatomba, told media persons that there were already apprehensions in the locality due to Roman involving youth from the locality into such illegal activities. Sanatomba said there are further apprehensions that he might have used stickers and labels of various other firms in the state and thus appealed to various companies and firms in the state to be vigilant.
Spices ki kanoni masi yolu se na horaga lakpa se khona thengna badagi Eastern Youth Club ki members singna pharaga ngasi akhoi media ge khuthangda akhoina asigumba phattaba thodok chenariba yamna asigumba geng gi mawna tawriba sidagi section bi abi sangtareta IMC ge amadi club ki ming sijinaraga paisa khara me hariba subam lekai dagi angom Gaura Chandra haiba sidi masai gi ngasi phariba Thangjam Roman singana Hauraga Chatpa Adugumba Mio Orme Mahakti Masana Mara Laitena, quick look in my gate Tambire.
A joint team of Commando Thaubal and a column each of 26 and 39 Assam Rifles arrested 3 gang members involved in extortion of money and drug trafficking from Sora Chingjin yesterday evening around 4:20. The arrested persons are identified as Muhammad Firoz Khan, 32 years, son of late Muhammad Yaima, Muhammad Mazibur Rahman, 28 years, son of late Muhammad Azuman, and Muhammad Salim Khan, 23 years, son of Muhammad Ayub Khan. All are gang members from Sora Maning Lekai. The team seized 1 double-barrel gun with 2 cartridges, 1 mobile phone and a wallet with 360 rupees from Muhammad Mazibur Rahman, 1 mobile phone and a wallet with 5,680 rupees from Muhammad Salim Khan, and 1 mobile phone and a wallet containing 3,670 rupees from Muhammad Firoz Khan. The arrested persons along with the seized articles were handed over to Kakching Police Station. National Lok Adalat Thaubal district disposed of 37 cases and collected a fine of more than 1 lakh rupees. The Lok Adalat was held at Thaubal Court Complex under the supervision of District Legal Service Authority. 2-bench jury comprising of District and Session Judge Salam Imocha, CJM, A. Shanti and District Family Court Judge Benny Ngangom settled the cases related to BSNL, bank and civil cases. A one-day convention on the mysterious deaths of Pravish Chanam at Noida in Uttar Pradesh on September 9 last year was held at Manipur Press Club today. Leaders of various civil society organizations took part in the People's Convention. Participants at the meet called for joint efforts to reduce racial discrimination and occurrence of untoward incidents to Manipuri students studying outside the state. Speaking on the sidelines, convener of a People Action Committee which was formed against the deaths of Pravish Chanam, Ahong Shangbam Phulen, told media persons that racial discriminations and harassments meted out to Northeast people living in mainland India has been going on for years. However, the government of India has taken no steps to stop the discrimination. Phulen asserted that the mysterious death of Pravish Chanam is taken as a torch baton to lead the campaign for a united fight against such discriminations and harassment. On the other hand, Phulen expressed hope that truth would be unraveled soon in connection with the death of Pravish Chanam, as the case was handed over to the CBI for investigations.
Mayulam Delhi akoina miyubigi hak awang pok langdamgi laikhidraba miyam sigi laura ibasi sahi tara kungi mamangdagi adum lauduna laba adugumba kholaw amane adu handaki professionamgi issue sida maru oina miyam asi mamang thaktagi penadaba mayam adu punsalakpane maramaduna handaki paikhala iba maira asidi asengba ma khangdokna rasena miyam je hanba leitana paiba adumba maira amane maramaduna ngasidi ekhoi Bharat ki lengak singna khara makhai di asumba tawbirakani habagi thajabadu ekhoi da pire.
Authority of Victory High School Kakching appeals to the civil society organizations and the people of the state for their support in tracing the girl student of class 9 standard of the school who has been reported missing since the intervening midnight of February 5 and 6 from the school boarding. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, headmaster of Victory High School Ketrumayum Ranjan said that the student arrived at the school boarding on the 21st of January this year and has been staying in the school boarding ever since. He said the girl's whereabouts is still unknown even after the joint effort of the family and the police. The headmaster further stated that the girl did not have any previous issues with the school authority. However, one Muhammad Nazir, 23 years, who is the alleged boyfriend of the girl, was caught by the school authority for entering the premises of the boarding without permission. He appealed for help from all quarters in locating the girl.
Victoria School na koi no lukcha bagaloina na yana thamoi shok bagaloina na akoina hygienic di angang si yana angang oiri bangang ni aduga mai khunai gi yengaga angang si kanana misguide to bi ro kanana lamjing bi ro athuba matamda angang si thadok pi ba aduga loina na hariba angang si gi magi pinsi kanmin na bada mayam punamangna
Media coordinator of People's War Group (PWG), a conglomeration of 5 organizations of the proscribed outfit KCP, Lenin Meitei, in a press release warned of dire consequences to all mission schools under Catholic Education Society in Manipur. It said their warning is being supported by another proscribed outfit, PWG's unit, Communist Revolutionary Front (CRF). The press release condemned the Catholic schools for not offering assistance in giving education to children belonging to families of these outfits. It alleged and condemned that admissions to these schools are carried out on quota basis amounting 1 lakh per seat in agreement with a certain students' union. It further alleged that these schools are collecting crores of rupees right from issuance of forms, tuition fees, electric bills and stationery items, despite huge donations coming in from Catholic societies of Europe and America. The outfit condemns that the Catholic schools refuse to give free education to students from 10 downtrodden families. The press release further said that 3 members of the outfit were jailed in connection with the issue last year, and details of children belonging to these families were handed over to National Investigation Agency, causing serious grievances to the families. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 2nd day of the 5th National Mime Festival held in Manipur for the first time in the Northeast. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Voice of Silence, a play under the direction of Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Moinul Haq, was showcased on the 2nd day of the 5th National Mime Festival 2018 at Kanglei Mime Theatre Repertory, Langthabal today. The play under the theme Use Me, Hunger and America mesmerized the audience at the festival. Subsequently, 2 plays, Jagaran and Rajasthan, under the direction of Kolkata Anubhav's Krishna Dutt and Hurdle Full Honeymoon, directed by Vilas Janve of Merton Foundation, Udaipur, were showcased. Speaking to media persons after the play, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Moinul Haq said holding the prestigious National Mime Festival for the first time in northeastern region in Manipur will help in promoting mime in northeastern states. On the other hand, director of Merton Foundation, Vilas Janve, said the festival will instill the idea of national integration to the people. He asserted that culture alone can unite people of the country. Pioneer of mime theatre H. Tombi Sharma, theatre critics Buddha Chingtham and several renowned theatre personalities were present on the 2nd day of the festival. The 5th National Mime Festival 2018, attended by 13 mime theatre groups, is being organized by Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi and Kanglei Mime Theatre Repertory, Imphal.
पे हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट का है, हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट का अगर नॉर्थ ईस्ट से काम करेंगे तो हम लोग वहाँ से कमांडर होकर वो सिपाही लेके हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट को हेल्प करने के लिए आ रहा है ना। हम अभी यहाँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट का मणिपुर में सदानंद जी ने ये किया है, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे सिपाही होकर भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट को हेल्प करने के लिए हम लोग आ रहा है। तो कैसे हम लोग ब्यूटीफुल बनाए, कैसे दर्शक को हम आकर्षित करो, है ना, कैसे हम इसको डेवलप करें, इसके ऊपर हम लोग काम करते रहते हैं।
इम्फाल जब यहाँ पे हो रहा है तो वो उसके नाम से ही मेरे पूरे उसमें एक अलग सा उत्साह आ गया था। ये जो फेस्टिवल है, इसकी जो थीम है कि भाई नॉर्थ ईस्ट को शेष भारत से जोड़ना, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि कला ही ऐसी बहुत बड़ा गुण है कला में जो हम लोगों को जोड़ता है।
Chief Executive Officer of Tamenglong District MCS Dingang Lung Gangmei inaugurated the 2-day 12th Ziliangrong Folk Festival at Kaupum Gaidimjang in None District today. Society for Promotion of Community THAS SPTC organized the festival with the motto Peace, Unity and Solidarity. Various folk dances and folk music performances of the community will be the highlight of the festival. Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District IAS Armstrong Pamay was also present on the opening day of the festival. Cookie Student Organization in collaboration with GS Coaching Institute conducted a written scholarship test for UPSC aspirants today. Altogether, 165 aspirants took the written test held at Lodster Public School at Khongsai Vang in Lefam Kunau. General Secretary of Cookie Student Organization, General Headquarters Sean Baite told media persons that the scholarship test was conducted considering the financially constrained facing the civil service aspirants in the state. The top 10 position holders in the test will get 75% financial assistance in taking coaching classes at GS Coaching Institute in New Delhi, while the 11th to 20th position holders will get 50% assistance and 20th to 30th position holders will get 25% assistance at the Coaching Institute.
Manipur manungsida studentsing thayawna coaching learning ba adubo coaching fees yamandana lawba ngamdama mi mayam lay moibo scholarship phangnana ba dugumba thawai lebe mi ge damak tawjabne Manipur gi damak register tawbise 166 na attain tawe adunga ngasi maksida state manga da pangthokpane Delhi Meghalaya Manipur ne aduga Nagaland Tripura aduda pangthokpane hojik se jati khaide.
Manipur Electricity Employees Union MEEU held its 51st annual general body meeting at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace compound today. Delivering the chief guest speech, Power Minister Thongam Biswajit appeals to the employees to maintain transparency and to maintain a good communication with the government. He also ensured to do whatever it takes for the smooth functioning of the department. Biswajit said problems cannot be rooted out all at once but can only be solved on priority basis. General Secretary and Finance Secretary of the Union also presented the yearly report of the Union during the meeting.
Isa ki 70% 1 lakh tawa matam da 60-70,000 puthoga angam bana tawki matam da maduna up to say traga kun bawki maduna kaim ta pisa thidna free da si da yaare masi india government 70% subsidy pi bani koi 90% subsidy tawna ba koi manila da gi leri ba pati pa mi ka kanna bana jari masi posima.
Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur PAWF observed its 10th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. A journal entitled Ngaklo, compiled by Ngathem Rabai Chandra, was released during the event. As part of the event, Dr. Maya Nepram presented review of a short story book, Ichalgi Mapao, authored by Thanaujam Shyam. Writers of the forum who received Ayiba Ulen Mitei Ningsing Mana 2017, Yambem Mani Sahitya Mana 2017, Nongthang Leima Literary Award 2017, Indo-Thai Friendship Award 2017, and Chandra Shakhi Laishram Chumthang Sahitya Mana 2017 were also felicitated on the occasion. Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar donated 2 lakh rupees each to clubs in Kairao constituency to fill up the lacking infrastructures of the clubs today. The MLA presented the financial assistance at a meeting held at Youth Popular Club in Kiamgai, Awanglekai. Members of the club appreciated the generosity of the MLA. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal organized a state-level cash prize essay competition on the theme, What I Can Do for a Clean Rims, Imphal, in connection with the Swachhta Action Plan today at the mini auditorium of the institute. Students of schools, colleges, university and employees of government departments participated in the competition held under 3 categories. Cash prizes and certificates were presented to winners of different categories of the competition. Director Professor A. Shanta and Medical Superintendent Professor C.H. Arun Kumar were also present at the prize distribution ceremony of the competition. A one-day awareness program on the present socio-economic and educational status of Manipuri Muslim Mitei Pangal was held at Komidok Bazaar Community Hall today. Mass Education and Social Development Organization organized the program sponsored by Manipur State Minority Commission. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Manipur State Minority Commission, Alhaz Dr. Said Burhan Uddin, said the center and the state government have introduced many welfare schemes for the minorities. He appeals to the people of the communities to try to understand the benefits of the schemes and work together to bring development. The chairman also appeals to the people to consult the office of Manipur State Minority Commission when anyone has doubts. Members of All Manipur Police Constable 10+2 Fresh Batch, a waiting list candidate 2016, warned of intense agitation if the government does not appoint them by looking up vacant posts at the earliest. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of All Manipur Police Constable 10+2 Fresh Batch waiting list candidate 2016, Amom Dinesh said the candidates who were selected in the 2016 recruitment have not only joined office but have also been given their job postings. He said, however, no work has been taken up for those in the waiting list. Dinesh condemned the government for not appointing them, although the Chief Minister had earlier said that there are vacant posts in police department in this regard. Dinesh warned of resorting to different forms of agitations if the government does not take steps by 25th of this month.
Thabak haidokiba tha hum helaba asida selected candidate singna medical loiduna join tawkraba asi fawda waiting list ta leriba candidate singi ngasi fawda karimta haidaba asi tasingna nungaitaba poi maramaduna chaliba February 25 asi bawgi manungda result thokpiu masigi manungda thoktragadi chingi isinau amadi candidate pumnamakna pullaga akhoi akanba khongjang changsinaba sem chaba loijare.
Manipur Pollution Control Board organized an environmental awareness cum sensitization program to check the level of noise pollution and cleanliness of the riverbeds at various places in Moray today. The team of the board, led by Chairman L. Radhakishore, conducted the cleanliness drive at Khuzairok and Lairok River and surveyed the level of noise pollution at 3 different places. After inspecting the places, an environmental awareness cum sensitization program was held at the office of Meitei Council Moray. Speaking at the event, El Radhakishore expressed that in the absence of clean air, human will cease to exist. He said polluted river water will have adverse effects on the animals and the people. Volunteers of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch conducted a mock drill on how to prevent from fire disasters near Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2 today. The team demonstrated safety measures to prevent a further spread of fires in case of any unfortunate fire incidents. The mock drill, which was held after the unfortunate fire incident at Namphalong Market 3 days ago, was undertaken with the help of IFRC and IRCS New Delhi. And in sports, In the most crucial match of Hero I-League, which was played at Kumanlampak Main Stadium this afternoon at 2, Neroka FC and Aizawl FC were drawn nil. The match was the 15th match for Neroka FC and the team tried its best to win and clinch the top of the table. Though there were many opportunities to score goals in the first half of the match for Neroka FC, the team could score none. Neroka FC striker Nido Turkovic got a chance to convert a goal from the pass by Neroka FC striker Singham Subhas, which he brought towards the goal mouth from the right corner flag of Aizawl FC. However, the ball kicked by Nido Turkovic went overboard the goal post. But the team gave staunch efforts in the second half of the match as well. In the last 15 minutes before the final whistle, Felix Odili Chidi drew the through pass from Neroka FC's midfielder Arin Glenn Williams towards the goal mouth. However, it could not be converted into a goal as it was defended with utmost care by Aizawl FC's goalkeeper. Aizawl FC did their best to score goals and win the match to add points to their tally. However, they could score none. Towards the end of the match, Aizawl FC's striker Zikahi Leons Dodos lost the opportunity to convert a goal when the ball missed the net and went on the right goal post of Neroka FC. But the team could not score any goal during the stipulated time of the match and thus were drawn nil. In today's match, Neroka FC's Thangjam Saran was booked a yellow card for his unsporting behavior, while Aizawl FC's defender Balram Moon Mawa was adjudged hero of the match title. Neroka FC will next meet Churchill Brothers in another home match at Kumanlampak Main Stadium on February 14. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren inspects Dolai Thabi Barrage project and Thaubal multi-purpose project, assures to inaugurate the projects in March. Minister Jayanta Kumar officially launches the National Deworming Day program at Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School in Peshamthong today. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA seizes large amount of liquor from fast food hotels near Mapal Kangjibu. And Neroka FC held goalless by Aizawl FC suffered tolls to I-League title hopes in the 15th match for the home team.